Icon has been discussing some new 3D printed homes they've been working on for some time. Here's their work in progress, a time lapse of the 3D printed bases for the 2-floor homes that will be listed for sale with Den Property Group. After finding the address earlier today, I was able to get this drone footage of the properties. As mentioned earlier, you can clearly see only the first floor of these buildings are 3D printed. They range in size, from 2 bedrooms to 4 bedrooms. For the people in the comments afraid that robots are taking jobs away, note the manual laborers working on the majority of the rest of the construction for these houses. Right now, they aren't too much to look at, but pretty soon, they'll be looking like this. Here's the tweet from Icon announcing the project publicly. They're using ZipSheath. The Zip system is a standardized waterproofing system that outlines a house with a special black tape joining the units to create a completely waterproof shell. This increases the longevity of the building. The homes are tucked away in East Austin. There are many creative buildings around here, and it seems like the local building code isn't too specific about how a building must look. It's certainly in a very up-and-coming area. Austin is the city that Elon Musk and Joe Rogan have chosen to immigrate to, both fleeing California. These homes are just a short Uber away from Center City, where you can find all kinds of livelihood. It's good to know Icon has been very busy since my last interview with them in the Mobile Loaves and Fishes community near Austin, Texas as well. One of these homes has already been sold, and as of now, only one other unit has been listed on the Den Property Group website. This is one of the 2-bedroom units. It's listed for $450,000, sitting on 0.32 acres. Den Property Group has made a special website for the East 17th Street residences. Here's a look at the different floor plans offered by Icon for these 3D printed homes. You can see one is 1,900 square feet, 1,500 square feet, 1,000 square feet, and 950 square feet. All of them feature 2 floors. I really like the idea of having only the first floor printed. That way, when you're on the second floor, it pretty much is completely identical to a regular home. Here's the layout of the lot and how the houses sit relative to each other. You can see the one on the top right has already been sold. The Treehouse residence features 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and 1,900 square feet. The also available Skyview residence also has 4 bedrooms, with 1 less bathroom. The 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath Garden Retreat, sitting at just over 1,000 square feet, is the unit listed for $450,000 on the Den Property Group website. And finally, the Loggia Retreat, which has already been sold. Recently, we saw SQ4D claim to list the first 3D printed house for sale on the MLS in New York. That house they're selling has yet to be built. Icon has just announced these homes to be sold, and the entire 3D printed portion has already been completed. If it hasn't happened yet, it will certainly have a permit inspection soon. Here you can see them printing. When they're going over a window section, they insert wood or metal so that they can print over the gap. When I found the site today, they had already moved the 3D printer. I wonder if it's off to another residential project or one of their military affiliated sites. Maybe it's headed off to build another launch pad for NASA. What do you think about the design and price point of these 3D printed houses? Do you believe this technology has the power to transform the world?